Angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia, and this is going to be like a super fast video. Right now I'm going to show you guys how you do the elastic band method with your wigs. I just created this unit that you guys see here. I'm sure you guys will see all the other videos as far as how to create a full lace frontal wig and all of the different things that I have going on. But anyway, this is the elastic band that was left over from that full frontal unit that I created. So once I cut off the front of it, this was a piece of the elastic band that was left. So I'm just going to use this. But this is like the same elastic band that you can get at Walmart or any other place. So it's not like I'm using any type of special elastic band. So obviously I have my little cap on. And all you want to do is take this piece of elastic band and you want to measure it right behind your head. You don't want it like digging into your ears, so bring it up some. I hope you guys can see this. You don't want it like digging into your ears, so you just want to bring it up some. This band fits me like perfectly, so that's good. But what you want to do is you want to have it stretch a little bit so that it can be tighter. Obviously you want that wig to be like snatched. So I'm going to have to cut off a little bit more of this. So what you do is you just stretch it out and see where it is. And then what you want to do is you want to mark, take like a white eyeliner or something and you want to mark it. And you just want to cut that excess off. These scissors are not even cutting. Okay, here we go. So you just want to cut off that excess and then you want to get your unit. Okay, Angels, so really quickly, there's two ways you can actually do this. You want to put your wig on, put it on your head, and then you just want to take the band around your head and measure it. And you want to mark on the sides of your actual wig so you can see exactly where this band is going to go. So one option that you can actually do is you want to turn your wig inside out. As you can see, this wig is inside out. And you want to take your elastic band and you want to place it right where you would have it to be. You can use some pins too and pin it. Once you actually sew this and you flip it, this is going to flip to the back of the wig. The other option is that you can take your unit from the back and you just measure where it will be at. And you would have it there, wherever it would be, and sew it like so. I think today I'll do this method and sew it towards the front. Nothing special, just take your needle and thread and sew it right on. First thing I'm going to do is place it where I want it to be, and I'm going to use some T-pins and just secure it. You want to make sure that you keep your elastic band in here somewhere. You don't want it outside of the lace because obviously that's going to be getting cut off. So like so, and put it on like an angle. So I'm going to do it and I'm going to let you guys watch.